Hello guys, this is Mayur Gavan and today in this video I'm going to talk about good and bad features of the iPhone 10. So now let's start. So let's see content of this video. So now I'm starting with the introduction. The iPhone 10 is a smartphone designed, developed and marketed by Apple. It is the 11th generation of the iPhone and was announced on 12 September 2017. It was available to pre-order on 27 October 2017 and was released on the 3rd November 2017. It was the first iPhone to use an OLED screen, means it is the first iPhone in which the OLED screen is used. The home button was replaced with a new type of authentication called as a Face ID. Let's see aim of the project. Let's see literature review. So now let's see brief description of the project, in which I'm going to talk about good features of the iPhone 10, in which the first feature is the edge to edge OLED screen. Okay, the most obvious standard features of the iPhone X is the OLED screen. Means lot of users get attracted towards the iPhone 10 by its screen. The edge to edge display is copied from past Android devices, starting more or less with the Xiaomi, Mi, Samsung Galaxy A7 back in the April. The edge-to-edge OLED display is the most stunning and it is a main attraction of the users. Now let's talk about the second features of the iPhone 10. The front-facing camera is more powerful. In this, the one small notch is provided on top of the phone, which is provided, in which the number of camera parts and sensors are provided. The front-facing camera module now contains an infrared camera, flood illuminator, proximity scanner, ambient light sensor, speaker, microphone, 7 megapixel camera and dot projector. These all modules are now available in the iPhone 10. So this is the most stunning feature. So now let's talk about third good features of the iPhone 10, which is Animoji is a neat and novel face mapping concept. It is a very entertaining concept which is launched in the iPhone 10. Emoji are the cartoon animals that replicate your face movements, expression and speech using the front-facing camera and 3D mapping sensors of the iPhone 10. It relies on the very same true depth of the components required by Face ID, and another perfect example of the Apple's marriage of hardware and software to add something more advanced than the industry standard. Means in which the facial expression of your face it's converted into the cartoon replicate. So it is the most entertaining features of the iPhone 10. So now let's talk about fourth good features of the iPhone 10, which is 5.8 inch screen, means more realistic in a smaller package. Okay, so this is also most important and good features of the iPhone 10. Apple's new edge-to-edge display on the iPhone 10 means you are getting a larger screen in a small package, at least compared with a new iPhone 8 Plus. If you take a look at the dimensions, you will see that the display measured diagonally comes to a 5.8 inches. That's actually bigger than the height of the device itself, which comes in the at 5.65 inches. So that's why these also very good features of the iPhone 10. So now let's talk about fifth good features of the iPhone 10, which is Face ID feels like the future, means in which the fingerprints is totally replaced with the Face ID. So that's why it's a more accurate, more efficient and more secure features of the iPhone 10. At the first brush, Face ID maybe feel like a setback and there is a validity to that review. Okay, so now let's see various features of the iPhone 10. So now let's talk about bad features of the iPhone 10, in which the first bad feature is the iPhone 10 is expensive, very expensive. Okay, so while selecting or purchasing the phone, the cost is the most important factor, and when the cost of the phone is very high, so it becomes a bad features of the any phone or any product. So it's the iPhone 10 cost is very high, so that's why it's the very biggest bad features. The cost of the iPhone 10 is about $1,000. And the cost is depends upon the storage configuration. As the storage configuration is increases, the cost of the phone is increases. So this is a very bad features. So second bad features of the iPhone 10 is the loss of Touch ID. You can embrace the bold 3D mapping future promised by the Apple's new Face ID, while at the same time the absenting the loss of Touch ID. Means in iPhone 10 sometimes the loss of Touch ID also occurs, which it may not work on the edge-to-edge OLED display of the iPhone 10. So now let's talk about third bad features of the iPhone 10, which is the complexity while using one-handed mode. Because of the iPhone 10 does not contain home button, so that's why while using in one-handed mode it becomes complicated to use. There is a whole new system of the gesture and swipes is used to learn and master, and many of them will be annoying to remember and difficult to perform with just one hand. So that's why it becomes a bad feature. Now let's talk about four bad features of the iPhone 10, which is app plus cost $199 up from $129. So this also bad features of the iPhone 10. So now let's talk about fifth bad features of the iPhone 10, which is A11 Bionic chip and wireless charging. What happens is wireless charging. The wireless chargers require more time to charge the phone as compared to the C-type charger. So that's why it becomes bad features of the iPhone 10. Let's see actual procedure followed. This is the output of the micro project. Let's see skill development and learning outputs of this micro project. This is the application of the micro project. This is area of the future improvement. These are the references. Thank you for watching.